Right now, nothing exists except the next possession. Hand on the ball, heart in my wrist, silence in the obsession. Not the crowd, not the score, not the echo in the rafters. Just this step, then one more. Future comes after. You don't rise to the moment, you fall to your habits. Every rep carved in your bones. Let it happen, let it happen. Lock in, breathe slow, see the floor, feel the time. You're not here to prove a thing, you're here to execute, to climb. One move, one read, one action in your mind. Lock in, this is the game right here on this line. Eyes up, angles in space, threads that nobody's seeing. Check the hips, not the face. Read the truth of their meaning. Noise swirls, fades to gray, just patterns and decisions. Trust the work you did today. Live inside the vision.